So here to break down the new superfoods for what we hope is a super year is dietitian, founder of Nutritious Life, and friend of our show for a long time. This is Carrie Glassman. Carrie, take it away.
Here we've got medicinal mushrooms. So we know that mushrooms are loaded with B vitamins and fiber, and they also have a little bit of vitamin D in there. But these medicinal mushrooms are a superfood of 2018. They're super high in anti-inflammatory benefits and antioxidants, but these in particular also are known to have a nootropic effect, which is really just a fancy word for compounds that are known to boost brain health. So cordyceps is known for energy, and then reishi, right here, is known to help you sleep. But I also like to add right here, chaga really helps boost your immune system. So we have miso soup right here. So if you just add a little bit to miso soup, it has a little earthy taste. Yeah, but these are all over health food stores now.